scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up.
Diffusion questions get easy fast when you focus on the one feature that controls nutrient pickup, and this table problem falls perfectly into that pattern. For nutrient uptake by diffusion, the key idea is surface area compared with volume, because nutrients cross the cell membrane at the surface, while the whole cell volume needs supplies. That means the most efficient cell is the one with the highest surface area to volume ratio, since more membrane is available for diffusion relative to the amount of cell needing nutrients. So compare the SA to V ratios from the table, and the cell with the largest ratio is cell type 2, which makes option B the winner. Well done! Option B! Scan now. Avoid rushing past the ratio idea, trust the given table, and check the comparison before choosing.